Like, Pretty Little Thing, send me my glasses, please. Because that was the glasses that I was most excited about. As I used to wear pre-having children. I'm so proud of myself. So hi guys, in today's video I wanted to do a quick little haul from Prettylittlething. I haven't shopped at Prettylittlething for over a year, so I know Black Friday is coming up. I don't know when this video is gonna go out. Let's see. I think this is probably gonna go out on Black Friday, but Black Friday is coming up and I want to show you guys some of the things that I picked up. So the first thing I have on is this top. I got it in a US 8. It fits amazing and it's just a corset top, a nice basic. Your girl is almost into her pre-Kai size. Talk to me good. Talk to me nice. Yeah. Talk to me nice. I did that. And it's nice and tight. It don't have a lot of support, but it definitely still holds the boobies up. I'm definitely thinking about getting more of this because this is like a cute basic. You can style this with some jeans or some pants or even some tights and you'll be good to go. And I love the color. Okay, love the color. And also I have a bone to pick with Prettylittlething. Why I order a glasses with a chain attached and they only sent me the chain. I need my money back. And I didn't even realize until I already did the return. Glasses cost $9 and to return it is $4. And I already paid return fee for the stuff that I wanted to return, but I didn't see that the glasses was missing until now. But anyways, I'm not paying $4 to send it back. So the next item is this cute little top. It's kind of like a bustier, kind of like corset like this, but it doesn't have any boning or structure in it. And I love the print. I love the blue, I love the green, I love the white. It kind of is giving me a zebra print but in color, and I love that. As you guys can see, I've been wearing a lot of prints recently. Your girl has been stepping out of her comfort zone as far as clothing is concerned. And then the next item, put them over here because I'm also gonna attach clips over here with me wearing them. So I got this top. This top is absolutely gorgeous. When I saw it, I was like, I have to get it. This is gonna be a staple. I feel like you can wear this out with some nipple covers to the club, or wear a like jacket or a sweater and you're gonna look like sexy and cute. And you can also wear this as friggin' lingerie. So add some red lace underwear and you're good to go. So I absolutely love this top a lot, and it has some boning in here, and I got this also in a US 8. I got the same thing again in stone. I actually really wanted the white, but the white was sold out, and I don't know if it's just me, but the stone kind of look dirty. It's an off-white color, but it really looks dirty to me in person. Anyways, and then this is the next top. As you can see, I'm in like my corset era, so I was like planning like corset tops, baggy pants type of swag with booties for fall winter. So this is the next one. This is black and white print, and it has some lacing at the front and lacing at the side. What size did I get this in? I got this also in a US 8. I can't believe your girl is wearing a US 8. The same size I used to wear pre-having children. I'm so proud of myself. The journey has been long. So the next two items I got is these two long sleeve cotton shirts, and I also got these in a US 8. You know, cute nice little basics. I also wanted the white one, but the white one was sold out. Okay, and then the next item are these two pants. I'm gonna put a cutaway clip so you guys can see how they look, but on the website this orange one look like a bright orange, but it's not. It's actually a muted orange, just like my curtain that's behind me. And I got these in a US 10. I should have got these in a US 8, but the 8 was sold out, and I didn't want to miss out on these because I feel like next summer / spring I'm gonna pop these out and they're gonna look so good. And I'm thinking of pairing these for fall winter also, because I live in Florida, so Florida don't get that cold, and if I want to go clubbing and I need something to wear, like, that's perfect. And then winter, it's fall and winter is fast approaching, and the girlies are loving a camel print cargo pants. I got these cargo pants from Prettylittlething also. I absolutely love the shade of cargo that it has. I feel like it's super versatile, and I love the fact that you can tighten the bottom or you can let it like be big and baggy. And I got this in a US 12 and it fits absolutely perfect. So next I got this dress. This is a mini dress and I absolutely love this mini dress. It is from the Shape collection. It looks absolutely amazing on me, and I got this in a US 6, I think. Let's see. I got it in a US 8 and it fits absolutely amazing. I can't wait to wear this. This is giving like New Year's type of vibe. Super duper sexy, which is another reason why I love it so much. And then I got this top. I don't know if this is considered a top or a dress, but I got this in a US 4. The fuck? I ordered this in a US 10. No wonder it's so short. I think this is considered a dress and more like vacation dress, vacation cover up, and I got it because it was so cute. I definitely can't wear it as a dress. I'm probably gonna wear this as a top. I'll probably wear it as a cover up or something if I'm going on vacation, but I definitely can't wear it as a dress. So the next item is this dress. It has puffy sleeve and a nice little puffy bottom, and I absolutely love the color. It's amazing. I got this in a US 8 and it fits great. The color is absolutely gorgeous, which is why I got it. And I've been seeing that dress trend all over social media since summer, and I got it in that color because it's more fall winter. So I got a pack of these earrings in both gold and silver. I actually have one of them in my ear. Let's see. Right now it looks really, really cute. I don't know why I didn't take this stuff out of this wrapper before. And I also got these. I also got this necklace that I have on, and then I got a pair of earrings. I got a pair, I don't know if you guys can even see this, small earrings that I got, and I ordered 3 glasses. So this is one. Very sporty. This one right here, This is like cute for every day. And I was supposed to get another glasses with this chain attached, and they didn't send me my glasses. They just sent me this chain. Like, Pretty Little Thing, send me my glasses, please. Because that was the glasses that I was most excited about. What am I supposed to do with this? So I already have the stuff that I'm sending back in this bag. So let's go through them. So I got this set. It is a cargo pant set with a corset. And I was gonna wear this with the orange pants that I showed you guys before. But baby, this is too big. I got this from the shape section, and I was scared that it wasn't going to stretch and it wasn't going to fit. And I got this in a, I think I got this in a US 10. This corset is too big. It does nothing for me. I definitely need like a 6 or 8 in this corset, probably a 6. And I got this in a US 12, and this is like a boat on me, a boat. So this has got to go back. And then I got these pants right here. These are some wide leg cargo pants with a split hem. And then I got this from the shape section also, and this is in a 12, and this is swallowing me, okay? I should have got a 8. So yeah, those are going back to Pretty Little Thing. And that is it for this video. Please comment what your favorite piece was, and I will see you in my next fashion video for Fashion Fridays. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.